मेरा नाम है नेहा धर और एक बार फिर पूरी कश्मीर एज इट इज की टीम की तरफ से मैं स्वागत करती हूँ आप सभी का हमारी आज की इस बात में। हम अक्सर जिंदगी में बनना कुछ चाहते हैं और कुछ और ही बन जाते हैं, फिर चाहे वो हालातों की वजह से हो, मौका न मिलने की वजह से हो या हम में शिद्दत की कमी की वजह से हो। मैं खुद इसकी एक जीती जागती मिसाल हूँ। मगर इस सब के बावजूद चंद लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो अपने अधूरे ख्वाबों को कभी भूलते नहीं हैं। जिंदगी इन्हें कहीं भी ले जाए और कितनी ही शोहरत क्यों ना दिलाए, ये अपने अधूरे सपनों को पूरा करने कभी नहीं भूलते हैं। इस जिद को कभी नहीं छोड़ते हैं कि हमें अपने सपनों को पूरा करना ही है। और सच मानिए, बहुत मुश्किल होता है रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी से जूझते हुए अपनी हसरतों को संभाल कर रखना, उनको पूरा करने के लिए खुद को हमेशा तैयार रखना, ताकि जब भी मौका आपके दरवाजे पर दस्तक दे तो ये मुनासिब हो पाए कि इस बार जीत बेशक आपकी ही हो। और आज की इस बात में हम एक ऐसी ही शख्सियत से रूबरू होंगे जिन्होंने मुश्किल हालातों में अपने माता पिता के हाथ बटाने के लिए जिस कुकिंग के हुनर को अपनाया, उसी हुनर को उन्होंने गुजरते वक्त के साथ बखूबी तराशा, अपनी काबिलियत को पहचाना और एक कामयाब आईटी प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर होने के साथ साथ हमारी पूरी कश्मीरी पंडित कम्युनिटी और इंडिया एज अ होल को रिप्रेजेंट किया मास्टर शेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एज वन ऑफ द टॉप 24 होम कुक्स इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन 2019। और हमारे ये मेहमान हैं संदीप पंडित। नमस्कार संदीप।
नमस्कार।
सब
कुछ ठीक पट
बस ठीक पट तो ठीक पट।
लस्य।
सबसे पहले पूरी कश्मीर एज इट इज की टीम की तरफ से तहे दिल से स्वागत है आपका हमारी आज की इस बात में।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी। और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बात करके। आपका जो इंट्रोडक्शन था वो बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा। हाँ, तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप बहुत जिद करते हो कोई चीज पाने के लिए। तो मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं मास्टर शेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कभी आऊंगा। मैं हमेशा फैन था इस शो का। बैंगलोर में जब बड़ा हो रहा था, आई थिंक टुवर्ड्स द टाइम जब करियर जस्ट शुरू हुआ, मास्टर शेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया स्टार्टेड अराउंड नॉट करियर जब शुरू हुआ, करियर शुरू हो चुका था। आई थिंक मेरी शादी होने वाली थी तब शो शुरू हुआ 2009 में। एंड आई थिंक इंडिया में तो ये रनअवे हिट था फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट सेकंड सीजन व्हेन I guess Star World started showing it at that point of time. It was a very innovative concept. Everyone in India was treated to these three wonderful men, two of them bald and the other one extremely tall, and all of them eating food. And I guess Rishi Desai was the first guy from India who was featured. Um, and I think I got hooked onto it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत सिंपल था। कोई हाँ शेफी खाना था, बट इट वाज स्ट्रेंज टू सी दैट ऑर्डिनरी लोग ऐसा खाना बना रहे थे। दे सीम्ड वेरी रियल। उसमें से कनेक्ट करे थे। एंड यू नो somewhere over the years, by 2015, there was this little, this would be amazing if I was able to be there, if I could ever be there. And I believe that was the period 2012, I guess 12 or 13, when MasterChef came to India as MasterChef India. And I couldn't apply because they were not auditioning in Bangalore. I'm sorry, I couldn't. Yeah. So the funny thing was they did not open the auditions up. I had missed the bus. And when finally MasterChef India auditioned at Bangalore, I was supposed to come to Australia for work, which was in 2016. So it was almost like, felt like a cruel joke that I want to be in this brand और मैं जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ. But मेरे जहन में हमेशा एक चीज थी कि अगर मुझे कभी भी बुलाएंगे, so I have another friend who's just equally crazy about MasterChef, and he would ask me, अगर तू कभी, आप वो छोटा मेरे से, तो अगर आप कभी जाओगे आप क्या बनाओगे? मैं कहा, यार देख, मेरा कश्मीरी दिमाग एक ही चीज सोचता है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है हमारी फीस्ट का जो स्टार्ट और एंड है वो नेन्यबत है, which is meat and rice. I think the epitome of Kashmiri feast is if you eat tahar with Rogan Josh with some haq and mutchidi. I said, there is no one on the face of this earth who will not like that kind of food. It is so balanced. It's a bit sweet, and when people get surprised when I say sweet, because haq inherently pardon me, was a bit sweet. It's salty, but then haq, kosher is haq or saffron that had a bit of sweetness. It was a palate cleanser. Rogan Josh was spicy and it was a bit sour. So I always just feel that it's a wholesome meal. There's no way people won't like it.
बिल्कुल.
I came to Australia, by the tingling thought in my mind was, all right, now I can take part. But नहीं हो पाया because MasterChef ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पार्ट लेने के लिए आपका या तो पीआर या सिटीजन होना बहुत जरूरी है, और मुझे मेरा पीआर 2018 में मिला. So that's when I got eligible for it.
Okay.
And after that it was just like, let's write the application, शायद हो जाए. They liked the application. मैंने अपनी ओर से बस ये इंश्योर किया कि every time there is a step which I need to do, I will give it my 100%.
बिल्कुल.
And I think the only time in MasterChef when I did not give my 100% was during the Sweets Week, when my back was terribly hurt, and I knew in my heart that I'm going to lose now, because it's a competition where your mind, your body, your thoughts, everything has to be 100%. And the moment my back had got injured, my mind was off the game. So that's the only time I did not give it 100% and I lost. But yeah, very fortunate. Very fortunate that I'm possibly the only Kashmiri Pandit who has been in this kind of an international exposure. And just lucky that after that, a lot of prominent Kashmiris, prominent Indians knew me and are in touch, want to speak to me. So that's nice. It's a good feeling.
बिल्कुल. संदीप, पूछने के लिए हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है आपके लिए, लेकिन सवालों का सिलसिला शुरू करने से पहले अपने सभी देखने और सुनने वालों के लिए मैं आपका एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहूंगी. संदीप ने बैचलर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग किया है केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में MS रमैया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी से, जिसके बाद इन्होंने MBA इन मार्केटिंग किया बैंगलोर यूनिवर्सिटी से, और अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद संदीप ने लगभग 11 साल अलग अलग कंपनीज जैसे जेनपैक्ट, कॉग्निजेंट, ICICI प्रूडेंशियल्स एटसेट्रा में काम किया इंडिया में. और फिर 2016 में संदीप मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया माइग्रेट हुए, और जैसा कि हमने पहले बताया 2019 में संदीप ने मास्टरशेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए खुद को आजमाया, और बड़ी ही बखूबी से अपने पहले ही कुक से, जिसमें इन्होंने जैसा कि संदीप ने बोला नेनबत बनाया था, और उसी कुक से उन्होंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया के नामी शेफ्स और फूड क्रिटिक्स जो कि मास्टर शेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जजेस भी थे, उनके दिल में अपने लिए एक खास जगह बनाई. और भले इन्हें 2018 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया की परमानेंट रेजिडेंसी मिली हो, मगर अपने उस कुक से इन्होंने उन सभी जजेस के जहन में अपने खाने के स्वाद से एक परमानेंट रेजिडेंसी हासिल कर ली. एंड it gives me, Sandeep, immense pleasure to let our viewers know that Sandeep was the first contestant in MasterChef Australia history to win a perfect 30 score in an immunity challenge with an immunity pin. Sandeep was given the title of the best Indian cook in the 11 seasons of MasterChef Australia. And Sandeep has also earned the well-deserved title of being the Spice Angel and the Food Pundit. And that's why Sandeep also runs a YouTube channel, a website, and a Facebook page by the name of The Spice Angel, wherein you can find some amazing recipes and also shop for some exclusive range of spices, which I'm sure are hand-picked by you, Sandeep. And before we start with the questions, all I can say is that what an incredible journey, Sandeep, it has been. I mean, can't wait to know more about this voyage of yours with food. Thank you so much for being an inspiration for all of us. And I've been your
Oh,
fan from the time you stepped into MasterChef Australia.
that's so kind of you. Thank
Yeah,
you so much. God bless you.
thank you so much.
It's praise like that is always embarrassing. I feel humbled. Thank you so much. Meche, it's not, my dad used to always say, "Kashir zit hai na हमेशा ना Bhagwati ma karne zah mein ahankar." It's a community trait, widely accepted trait that humility is something that's a virtue. Sorry, I'll just adjust my earpiece.
Yeah.
So I have, I mean, you just made it sound much bigger than it is. Thank you so much. What can I say? Varya, Atmancha, honestly, Varya actually is using visible Chiman, family coach Karan struggle of period as months. One shouldn't youth, it's not as much at this moment. Kaske, the जो इस बार के contestants हैं, they because of COVID and other restrictions, they had access to their mobiles. They had the privacy of being in their own rooms. But back until 2019, I have never been in a hostel. So MasterChef Australia was godnik time मेरी जिंदगी में जब मैंने एक room और 4 लोगों के साथ share किया है. So there were 5 of us, 5 guys in the room, 4 in the bunk beds. I was just fortunate to have my own bed. That's pretty much what privacy we would get. We were staying away from family. That is the case even today. आज भी लोग family के साथ नहीं रह सकते हैं. And I was allowed just one phone call every alternate day and a video call at the end of a week. So it's just equally challenging family के लिए भी. And I think all these accolades are incomplete if I don't say the amount of effort that or the amount of sacrifice my wife and my child have done.
हम उस पे आएंगे संदीप. हमारे पास सारे सवाल हैं आपसे उस
Thank you.
के लिए. तो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, आज की कद बात का हमारा सबसे पहला सवाल जो आपसे ये है, वो ये है कि आप कश्मीर के किस हिस्से से आते हैं और मिलिटेंसी के बाद आप कहाँ माइग्रेट हुए, कहाँ बड़े हुए, और जो ये फोर्स्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट रही है हमारी पूरी कम्युनिटी के लिए, जो कि बिना किसी शक के बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट रहा, लेकिन आप इस फोर्स्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट में किस चीज को ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज मानते हैं?
हम लोग मैं बहुत टेम्प्टेड हूँ कश्मीरी में बात करने में, बट आई डोंट नो हम लोगों का ऑडियंस.
आप बिल्कुल कश्मीरी में बात कर सकते हैं, तो क्यों कश्मीर पर बात करें?
लसिफ ऐसे सरोजान I think Badgam is just outskirts Srinagar. Up until 1989, मैं was Ultim what is money with me on Cascamian grandfather is Guzre, as Halat has hit me passing Harab Kashire. Towards 88 itself. 85 pathe hatum problems gasin khada magar मैं पता 88 months hot sarni hot fikri tarum ke it's going to turn ugly. We might lose our lives. Tis hechen gasin way. Ashwanan migration, forced migration, agar sani history hands us shame ya sati migration. So it's not the first time. Kashir button but Shubhamut Kashir traveling. Tampata bosses mesh the friends वगैरह इस बाकी घर अपार रोजा नजदीक रोजा almost ज़्यादातर लोग क्या गई जोम नत गई दिले ऐसे गई जोम मगर ऐसे broken fractions का सुन God sues papan mummy sorry main buat main lakat uncle is कैसे कि तिमन दोनों Kashir Batkun, unfortunately, target as Varia Gasa call just once. We but youth is Amit Varia Marne. One of my very close friends of my uncle had been killed. The Timo Suis got him. Tam Pate Suis Papan was the uncle Nimchime, so newly married. As his Varia Mushkil Timandun was grandfather Guzre. Tim Guzre means uncle Sindhi Khandaro story can take it, I think, for October, I reckon. And September was Guzre Tim. Well, you can imagine what wedding it would have been. Magar on my dad was very keen कि मैं शपान मैं शकूर मैं शबेनिया मैं फिक्री तरह हुमन क्या गैसे हालत. So it was we actually left the whole place आखा करित गारस पे तरह से हितन गासिन. I guess both was around 8 years, few months. Such age as I made lacket sister fish makeup very lacket. That age months you don't really understand why you're being separated from your parents. Both such a mom dad is Gary, the SB trackmans as soon as my first question was Eskarimo Wapas, Garkarimo. And my grandmother who was taking us along had no answer. Base uncle the auntie. We just sat and nobody spoke anything. I clearly remember that day. I said Selmit Subhan Subchasan Chayad and go to US. So January end of February was starting. So a period February starting. Because January was gaya halat variya kharab. And go to US. I didn't 3 months. Track must be here. Odishus Bawadan, more but somehow it felt like I'm not coming back, which is very strange. Well, that age months of feeling asenchip was very strange. It just felt that we're not coming back. And yeah, I शायद can't understand saying a problem करित कि how does one feel when you leave your home? I mean, you know you're not coming back. Migration as a word, Shuarya, I think we all became homeless overnight. The only blessing in this was nobody died. And I mean, at least that's what since Parivaras Magar Khakarai. Kaske Tampat Phuta is gar literally. Mummy saws HMD mas kam karan. Temanul option take Shutasho Nokri Thamin Geshev Bangalore. And she was the only earning member. Kaske private company was just Papa, the uncle, the uncle Karan Nokri. They had no clue what they were going to do. When you needed to have something secure, the mummy said, Papa go Bangalore, uncle Tim kya kar han Bangalore, the Rose ni Jaishan was totally different place. So I think the only blessing, I don't know whether to call it blessing, but the only thing that came out of it is I don't take anything for granted. Make sure as I wish Sarvi community wish saw Gorbat. कि I mean, वक्त उस खाना सोचना बात मैं याद बहुत पापा से द्रामत तम से चांदस में 10-15 रुपया आसनस which was a fortune back in 90s. तो ऐसे उस आदत येलते सो ऐसे दाल लेखनी है so उसके खानस खतराना is that I never, and my dad says the story quite often, is I never पापा न सब्जियां सानिन तो इस जे में तम साथ तो मैं उन्नस की पापा आज खाना इस नेबर की ही he had tears in his eyes and he got us something to eat. We came back home. I realized that no, my sister said, "Seshana pai, ashen went punase. Aisa kam neighbor khat." So he bought something for us to eat, and we practically didn't cook anything that night. शायद दाल या के बात ऐसे हो क्यों मत. तो सो वक्त तिशूश मत. I guess that was the only blessing that did. Nobody in Kashmiri community, at least in our parent generation, takes things for granted anymore. You might be a multimillionaire. Most of us, by the grace of God today, drive fancy, expensive cars. don't have, this must be fourth or fifth car that everyone owns. War car har kanch asal jaye. Magar to shun sui insan paga jom gathan kanse ashna sun gar yemen tut ke aise. War car pasar kan behan thalas mas bat khaman. It's no big deal. It's, I think that humility is what came out of it, and I'm thankful. Sorry, it was a bit long answer because it took me back very dark times, but
बिल्कुल। आप हमारी जो जनरेशन थी उन्होंने ये देखा, लेकिन वो जो आगे वाली जनरेशन है जिन्होंने वो पीरियड नहीं देखा, और उन्होंने वो एक सेंस ऑफ अबंडेंस उनको मिला, क्योंकि हमारी जनरेशन ने थोड़ा सा प्रोग्रेस किया था। बट उनके लिए आपका जो ये जवाब है, ये एक लर्निंग रहेगा कि ह्यूमिलिटी कितनी जरूरी होती है। अच्छा बुरा वक्त आता जाता रहता है, बट हाँ, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी हम्बल। थैंक यू फॉर दैट इंस्पायरिंग आंसर, संदीप।
my pleasure.
संदीप, अगर हम एक दूसरे सवाल पे जाएं, तो अगर हम अपनी सोसाइटी में देखें तो अक्सर हम देखते हैं कि लड़कों को कुकिंग की तरफ ज्यादा एनकरेज नहीं किया जाता। इसको जरूरत ही नहीं माना जाता है कि इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर जेंडर आपको कुकिंग या घर का कोई भी काम सिखाया जाए, कुछ और नहीं तो एज अ सर्वाइवल स्किल। तो जेंडर बायस पर आपकी क्या राय है, और इस सोच का इतना प्रेवलेंट होने के बावजूद आप में कुकिंग का शौक कैसे डेवलप हुआ, और कैसे आपने अपनी एजुकेशन, अपने जॉब के साथ साथ इस हुनर को इतना बखूबी तराशा, जिसने आपको एक फॉरेन कंट्री में नेशनल लेवल पे वन ऑफ द टॉप 24 होम कुक्स बनाया। कैसे मुमकिन हुआ ये?
Let me answer that in stages. The word gender bias. I think gender bias was Varya unfortunate part. Is Varya the highlight of Karna in, I'd say, 60s, 70s, when I say thoda, we had, India wanted to be modern, but we also had our own traditions. Historically, was हमेशा गसान कि ladies as घर चलावन, तो ये gents says correct कि never गसान के रोजगार करान तो कमावन. The family setup was such that men really did not have time to cook, and women from, I'm not trying to generalize, but as such were not going to service. Kosher community as Gornish community ये status quo challenge core from a very long time. Dame example demo बताए कहाँ ते खानदार ऐसे वारकार बोर्ड दो ऐसे तो शू ज़ाहियात यमसा वाज़ो सासा का lady, right? So it's actually myth वाता ओस गारिया ओस man दादी वगैरह ओस गौड़ ओस नितमान खास करा के बोस चौकस मन आसान, मगर invariably शानी community में हमेशा मर्दन खान वुरे पेट बात रन्नुक आदत रूद, and irrespective of who that person is, most of the men in our parents' generation, تِمن چھُ کینٛہہ نتہٕ کینٛہہ ایکسپیرینس یا وُرِ پٮ۪ٹھ کٲم کرنُک یا چھُ آسان محلس منٛز آسہِ کٲنٛسہِ خانٛدر آسان اگر نہٕ اِنسان بتہٕ رنہِ ہے بتہٕ پھِرنہِ اوس ہمیشہِ تتہِ ٲسۍ لڑکہٕ گژھان وۄنۍ سُہ ٲسِن بٹہٕ سُہ ٲسِن مُسلمان خانٛدرن منٛز چھُ رننہٕ وول وازٕ ہمیشہِ میل آسان بیٚیہِ یِم سٔرو کران تِم تہِ چھِ آسان یوٗجولی مین unless پتہٕ then there are closer functions where the elder ladies take over. And secondly, as kya was rest of the India's maz IMGs later. Excuse me. Magar sign parents ki generation was almost 50 to 60% of ladies yim bazanak tim sari service kara. The migration path when the families kind of broke and a lot of people were not in joint families anymore, men had only two options. Ya to ruzi phake na to kariyo na to ath gaw lagun chokas kam se kam sabzi shidin set na ch banwan chala. So I guess that bias got taken care of in that because immediately somebody was doing it. But I'll not sugarcoat it. I have had a lot of opposition to me being in the kitchen as a kid, which was surprising to me. Uncle ji, and suddenly the paradigm would change if you were at home. So it wasn't that uh, Marad hekan renit. It was more that timan pazne dohoi chokas man zatsun garikis chokas man hekan renit vuri pet hekan renit. So that hypocrisy was it can catch karanium. I guess pache uh, you know when you are hell-bent upon doing something, your parents give up. So my grandmother,
ऑपोजिशन आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से था, पेरेंट्स से था या बाकी रिश्तेदार?
I think pretty much little bit everyone. As you said, लड़के चौकस मन ये तो सबको सरप्राइजिंग लगता था, मेरे दोस्तों को सरप्राइजिंग लगता था. I've been cooking since I was 9 years old, and I've even mentioned it in a lot of interviews कि मैं act like ऐसे मम्मी उस HMT में पापा तो उस नौकरी करा, मम्मी उसने रात सुबह 7 बजे शाम उस मैं फिंटी 7:30 बजे बासी में शाम उस 6 बजे दोइम बासी में सौदन शांतान उस बस स्टॉप पर घर वातान पता पिक्चर पालव ते उसने बनना गोड़ सुटोज आयल है पता चाय बनावा दिवान सारनी चाय पता बात रानान तताम तेज पालव इसने भी वहाँ बादल नहीं पता मक्सर अपन प्रेशर मज बात थे सो पालव बदलावान बात शेरान सारनी क्या बात है छलिन बान तो भाई बच शांग बे सुबह 7 बजे वातन. So that was the grind that most of our mothers had, and I think one day just like that हाँ पहले तो फ्रिज उसने ऐसे मुझे ऐसे कोई फ्रिज आनस करता तो फ्रिज कपर आसान तो मम्मी हेशने वेस ऐसे स्कूल पे टिमा एक्चुअली उस खान गुमुत खराब बेंगलुरु उस आसान अच्छा वुशनेर थोड़ा ज्यादा आसान चंद रोज़ सब्जी फ्रिज वाले. And she taught us how to boil sabzi before you eat it because the rice would still stay. You can cook rice in the morning, keep it covered, it will not spoil. Magar sabzi hotsan. So she taught me first how to how to boil vegetables. ताकि तुम कसम में खराब तम पता एक दोन इथे कन मजाक मजाक में होश में अक्सर ये चोर लेते थे चाय कित किंच बनावा. So I एक दोन method them is chai ready, and she cried, and it was tears of joy. What better reward do you want in life? I think man so cosmic sense of achievement make it, food matters, things matter, and tanpet चुमे लोयर से घूमत रहा.
तो क्योंकि अब आपने शुरू बहुत पहले किया और अब आज के डेट में आप एवरीबडी नोज यू, तो अब घर पे कैसा माहौल रहता है? आपकी बेटर हाफ को ज्यादा आराम मिलता है क्योंकि आप ज्यादा खाना बनाते हैं कि उनको ज्यादा टिप्पणियां मिलती है मास्टर शेफ स्टाइल में, आज खाने का बैलेंस थोड़ा ऑफ है, टेक्सचर्स की कमी है? क्या सीन
I
रहता
think we had my wife is a good cook, no doubt about it. We had this discussion because I can cook. That had reached even to my in-laws. Such kershit, तीन family. तथा मैं इसने मतलब ये उसने birthday के occasion आना मगर if someone is doing stuff like barbecues, and those days Facebook was out there and my photographs are there doing barbecues are out there on Facebook. So my parents had to say, he's really gifted in cooking. Many misses to me, we were still engaged. I told her, can you cook? She's like, yeah, I'm okay, but I may not be as good as you. I said then it's a deal. I will cook. You keep, you keep everybody happy because I'm not. Which is the varia asal phone and that varia zir kath karne. The thing. So she's the homemaker in the real sense. In fact, when I took a career break, she was pretty much earning and getting the bread of the house. But Yanpet has khander ko chokas manch sauce mein hamish bui. Okay. I told her once, she's like, oh, don't you feel bad that I'm not cooking? I said, let's just face it. Between you and I, and this is exactly what I told her. Let's just face it. Between you and I, there's a good probability I might cook better. Rather than cribbing on it, let me cook. ना मैं चिक चिक करूंगा और खाना भी अच्छा मिलेगा. So she was happy.
She's extremely lucky in that respect, and God bless.
I think I'm very lucky that she doesn't throw a fuss at it. So I would say I'm lucky to have her.
जी जी. संदीप, आप एक सक्सेसफुल आईटी प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर होने के साथ साथ एक सक्सेसफुल शेफ हैं, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली एज वी जस्ट नाउ डिस्कस्ड, यू आर अ फैमिली मैन. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स व्हेन वी वेयर मोर देन वन हैट, हमारे पास एक अच्छा एक्सक्यूज होता है नॉट टू हैव अ वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. आई थिंक उसके बारे में आपने जस्ट टच किया था इंट्रोडक्शन में. सो मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ दैट हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू स्ट्राइक दैट बैलेंस, बी अ डॉटिंग फादर टू अ लवली सन, a caring son to your parents, a loving husband, an entrepreneur, and a busy IT professional? I mean, how do you manage to do that?
I don't. I'm pathetic at it. I think that's the short answer. Meche, I wish I was better at managing my time. Uh, I guess Mesh Varga, Nick, listen, he's 10. Regarding paths very so was bored gasan. I was really very busy with my career. Very busy. I have had times when I have not seen him for days together. Versus versus Garima so Sasa Shungit. He was a little baby and I would come home at about 1 or 2. He'd be asleep. Patos me gasan tsier yatan benindro so satan so kasan daycare tromat. Patos weekend days asan so ऐसे दोनों ऋतु तो दोनों एक काम करा so माज हैं शासन ज़्यादा ही पहन टैट शुरस. He would be he would be more with mom and I had to take care of my social commitments. या कहना क्या काम से आसान नहीं. So I don't think I was I was there as much as I would have wanted to be. Tampatya in 2016 I had to come to Australia and for about a year and a half I did not see him or I saw him very limited. So it's very hard. It is incredibly hard. And I know there are Varia Luchim, they do a great job at it. And I think I'm still learning. अगर वो ये वाला कि इसे वारिया easy शो हैके करे हर कांच करान it's tough. Being parent is as such tough as our parents know. But the balance karun the vatun sarni is quite tough. It takes a lot out of you. But I wouldn't want it any other way. Mishwasan, that's what being a human is all about. Don't mind Shasan youth, constant chaos, constant. If you don't mind, the only way to sharpen your mind is to keep it busy. The moment Corona made us all idle, you can see how much weird stuff was going on the social media. Excuse me. Keski Lucan is Pursat. Eli Lucan Pursat Chima, Maxan ऐसे ज़्यादा कम अच्छा अजीब अजीब चीजें होने लगती हैं. So I'm still trying to get better at it, but I don't think I am.
Do you have guilt for the reason that you cannot strike a balance? And how do you cope with that guilt? I mean, in case you have.
Guilt, yes, I do have guilt. But the best way to cope is to get better than what I was yesterday. So I can tell you that I try to be a better father, better son, better human being, better cook than what I was yesterday. I was telling Ritu this the other day that if I was to compete in MasterChef again as me against the person who was there in 2019, I would thwart myself because I really think I'm a better cook now than I was. I learned in the process. So अगर इंसान के पास ना कि वंश में balance करूँ achieve, then there is no aspiration to do. You stop growing, you stop trying, and you don't know. Panjaspan is I have not achieved perfection is very important. Be it as a father, be it as a professional, you've got to think that you're not good at it so that you try to improve on what you are today. Hamish ka in the hindsight, I'm better than what I was yesterday. And I have a lot more to go.
संदीप, मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि क्योंकि मैंने आपको पर्सनली मास्टर शेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सारे एपिसोड्स में देखा है, तो मैं मतलब एज अ व्यूअर जब मैं आपको मास्टर शेफ किचन में देखती थी और जिस तरह से आपके सामने चैलेंजेस रखे जाते थे, अलग अलग सरप्राइजिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स रखे जाते थे और इस सब के ऊपर एक टाइम बॉम्ब कि भाई 60 मिनट में कुछ माइंड ब्लोइंग बनाओ, तो आप एक होम कुक थे जिसके पास मास्टर शेफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एंटर करने से पहले बोथ यू हैड लिबर्टी ऑफ टाइम, यू हैड लिबर्टी ऑफ चॉइस कि किससे बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है. तो उस इंटेंस सिचुएशन में ऑन द स्पॉट परफॉर्म करना प्रेशर में फॉर सेविंग योर प्लेस इन द कॉम्पिटिशन, हाउ डिड यू मैनेज दैट फियर्स रेस? एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, I mean, what I would really want to know is that what helped you trigger that ingenuity every time you stepped into that pressure cooker? How did you manage to do it?
I'll tell you the only time, 2 times that I've been nervous in that kitchen was, um, and I've not admitted it anywhere else. I almost fainted when they did not give me the apron in the first cook because I couldn't believe it. मुझे मेरे को यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा था कि ऐसा हुआ. But then I had to keep telling myself, ये तो पेज जानी, ये तो पेज जानी. It नहीं रखा. Jokes apart, that was the only time when I had to cook. But they, the flavors were there. Pani galti. Akis gantas mas Rogan Josh, tahar, mujchetin, haak, banaun. Yelne sunte usme paane chotmut. I actually, they didn't show that on the television. Although they showed me whacking the meat a couple of times, but I actually butchered my own lamb ka leg.
Okay.
Tahtalin dun, ranun, pressure dun, the old school pressure, bata ranun, batas chav dun, and I cooked rice the old school way, filter it all out. Batas chav dun, haak, banaun. I still was able to do it in 50 minutes. Mega 10 minute asan day I could do. But when they did not give it to me, that was the first time I got nervous. And the second time when I was nervous was when we all, in the very second cook, everybody was given black. And we were asked, you got to cook, otherwise you're out. I realized that in both those times, I did very well. When I was nervous for the first time, I got the apron. When I was nervous for the second time, I almost made it to top 3. I said, this is it. This is my place. And I think MasterChef has made me realize that time is a luxury, and time is also a very devious thing. If you think you have abundant time, you become very lazy. Your output suffers, your efficiency suffers. If time is given to you in a limited, if time becomes a commodity, just like petrol inside your car or money in your pocket, you start treating it like an asset. You start becoming very judicious with it. You start telling your mind, "Mission 5 minutes, mission can, mission sort bana nahi bana. Agar na 5 minutes mein sort bani, I will just drop this. I'll do something else." Acha manch mein be 8 घंटे में पे सोचूं bekat platas mas thave hai. All right, I've got 7 more minutes. 5 minutes mas haka baat graka inyet never kedit. So you start using as another the way it is supposed to be, as a dimension, and I enjoyed it. I loved it. Even on the day when I was eliminated, I'm the only person throughout MasterChef who's actually never been in a pressure test and has gone to top 11. So I used to be in eliminations just because someone else messed it up for me in a team competition.
Team challenge.
But on my own, that place, I've never been nervous inside. I used to enjoy myself. That was my happy place. Kitchen has always been my happy place. And then I realized that time is actually an asset, because you're not cooking for 30 people. You're not cooking for 40 people. You're cooking one plate of food or maybe 2 portions of food. It's not that hard to make 2 portions of food in 60 minutes. I mean, our point was, Samut, when we were practicing, I was able to make pav bhaji with proofing the bread, fresh buns, proofing the bread, baking it, taking it out, putting it on maska, making the pav bhaji, everything in 45 minutes. So time is actually, I love it, and I still can do. If I have limited time, I think it's always fun.
Ingredients का डर कि कौन सा इंग्रेडिएंट सामने रखा जाएगा, मैं उसके साथ कुक कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, और उस 5 मिनट में मतलब सोचना कि मुझे अभी पैंट्री में जाना है, क्या लाना है, क्या कुक करना है, प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे होगी. ऑफ कोर्स जब आप मास्टर शेफ में नहीं थे उसके पहले आपको ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहा होगा, लेकिन वहां पे इम्प्रॉम्प्टो सब कुछ करना कैसे?
Doesn't matter. मतलब कैसे, I would want to believe, and it's a fact कि मास्टर शेफ में अगर तो वर्क ना तो होता है, and particularly if you make it to like the stages that I had been to, you always have a lot of things up your sleeve. Let's just say you'll always, so no matter what, if the pantry was not open, I knew the template. That mystery box has 8 ingredients, you have to use any one. You have a staples. Every MasterChef kitchen has staples in it. Staples has got flour, milk, butter, eggs, oil. And what they don't tell you is just for as props, they used to keep pepper and salt on our tables. I was the first guy who asked them, can I use that? And they're like, yeah, it's there on the table, you can use it. So Gary Megan famously said that nobody in the history in MasterChef has cooked as much rice as you have and has used cooked with as much pepper as you have. And funnily, these are two things that are native to India. But yemis tomul aise, yemis tool asan dod aise, noon aise, thurnias, malay. You have 7 ingredients. If a cook can't cook with those 7 ingredients, and then the eighth one is in abundance, I don't think they should cook at all.
बिल्कुल। संदीप, मैं इसको अपना आखिरी सवाल, ओके, 5 साल बाद आप अपने आप को कहाँ देखना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि अब आपको इतना एक्सपीरियंस है कुकिंग का, बिजनेस करने का, तो किस मकाम पर देखना चाहते हैं आप अपने आप को? और क्या आपका कोई प्लान है रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस में अपना हाथ आजमाने का और हमें मौका देने का कि हम मोर रेडिली आपके हाथ का पकाया हुआ खाना खा सके?
100%. Hopefully restaurant हो जाए. I don't want to do something on my own, but maybe partnership में किसी के साथ. Again, Kachutun, Bozan, they want to start a tie-up. I'm happy to do that. Magar COVID kind of put a break on a lot of things, so I couldn't. But I'll be starting my pop-ups again shortly. It's just that मैं full-time work be join karun and taking a break on my food career because of the situations we are all in. But you asked a valid question, and my answer is in the next 5 years, I want to be the voice of Indian food in Western world. Mishwasa Indian food, Australia's most khaskar chubanu butter chicken and naan, and we are far more than that. I do not, and I love butter chicken, I love naan, but I don't think they are a judicious representation of our magnificent cuisine. Main masala agar and the range of spices that I have, yes, I do have a garam masala, but it's its own Zergil masala. It's based on the Kashmiri garam masala's recipe. I have sambar masala. Now, a lot of people are like, "Ye to MTR bhi deta," but how many people in America can tell you what sambar is? Mm-hmm. Everybody will tell you what a Thai yellow curry or a Thai red curry is, or everybody will tell you what a bowl of ramen is. There is more known about the food from Oriental cultures just because they stayed true to their identity. Everyone from the Orient, everyone from the Far Eastern part of the world, do not eat noodles. Is not the only dish. That was the stereotype that the West had on them up until 70s. And now you see, Japanese cuisine is considered one of the most refined cuisines on the planet. Why is it that India, with such ancient food traditions and schools, is considered like, if I want to eat Indian, it means that I'm going to have a cheap $10 meal and I'll get some brown color. It'll be like, I gotta have my curries and naan. Kyun? Yes, become as hak, mission curry naan, become thirsot. But become mutating thirsot. How many people know what thirsot is? How many people know what kahwa is? People think that tea was what Britishers brought to India. No, we used to have chai is Kashir chawan, san dekyan pet, is chawan from the time of Silk Route. So I want to be the voice of Indian food in the Western Hemisphere, and I want to be a serious voice in the next 5 years. I'm trying to do my best to become that.
Yeah. So कि आपका प्यार इंडियन क्यूजीन की तरफ साफ साफ दिखाई देता है, तो इंडियन क्यूजीन के अलावा कौन सी क्यूजीन है जो आपकी फेवरेट है, जो आपको बनाना और खाना दोनों पसंद है?
इंडियन cuisine की डाइवर्सिटी इतनी ज्यादा है कि मुझे फुर्सत ही नहीं मिली है to go beyond it.
That's a beautiful answer.
And I'll be on. I'm not trying to make it sound good. It's a fact. Toishu, Toishu Kashir, you said that you've been in South India. Mm-hmm. Still, majority of North India who have not had any stint in South think that South Indian food is idli, dosa, and sambar.
बिल्कुल.
They can't even say sambar properly. So there's more to it. There's stuff like goju, which means something made with savory tamarind. There are salads that are made in South. There are subtleties in Western Indian cuisine. There is abundance of the Bengali cuisine. There's that richness, earthiness of the Central Indian cuisine. There's absolute simplicity with very little spices and barely any vegetables towards the desert parts of India. And I've not even touched how northeastern cuisine is, which barely has any spices, is more towards the fermented foods. It's more towards using foods that can or kinds of preparations that last. Odia cuisine is another one which I feel is not as popular, but it's to die for. No words about Bengali cuisine, and I think I kind of did my bit in promoting South Indian and Kashmiri cuisine. There's so little known about Kashmiri food.
Mhm.
How many people in India can say that they've actually eaten a good traditional dum aloo?
Mhm.
No. We
बिल्कुल.
Kashmiris, a lot of us have forgotten how to make dum alus at home. So Mission Perspert, and I'm being very brutally honest, Mission Fursati Iman to have anything, because I don't think I've covered all of Indian food. If I may, I was very fortunate to be with Kati, who was suspected by Turkey Zindagi Manzamas in MasterChef. And I think Southeast Asian cuisine and Indian cuisine have a lot in common. That's possibly the other cuisine that now I love a good bowl of laksa on a cold day. Uh, that's the only thing that I would say. Um,
Okay.
I mean, people may hate me for this, but I don't think I've discovered Indian food enough to say that no. And I don't want to be fake just because I've been on an international show. Okay, Vanch mein, oh, Vanch is French food, come on, no.
बिल्कुल. संदीप, क्योंकि आपको द स्पाइस एंजल का नाम दिया गया है, आपका बिजनेस भी
जी.
स्पाइस एंजल के नाम से है, तो अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि वो कौन से 3 स्पाइसेस हैं जो आपको बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब करते हैं एज अ पर्सन एंड एज अ शेफ, तो कौन से 3 मसाले होंगे?
Oh, I mean, individual spices अगर आप पूछेंगे, so I would say from Zur, meat, because methi dana basically. I get these two, and third is pepper. The combination of three can do a lot. But if you're talking about ground spices, Telium Soon, the holy trinity of Kashmiri spices, Marsawangan, Burjan, Tazervil Masala.
ओके.
With these three, you can practically make any Kashmiri dish.
जी.
Yes, you need other spices. You need shont, you need a bit of younger, you need some salt, marchwangan, neel, marchwangan, assassin, but they are all like, they're like the adornments that go, the soul of Kashmiri spices. The basic three spices are Zervil masala ke assassin. You gotta have Kashmiri red chilies and you gotta have Burjan. So the answer would be between the two.
ओके. संदीप, आज की बात का आखिरी सवाल जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी वो ये है कि आपके हिसाब से कुकिंग की दुनिया में what are the most important things to keep learning and executing to stay relevant, and what is your advice to all the amateur cooks out there within our Kashmiri community who are holding back for one or the other reason? आप उनको क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
Cooking may the only way you can be relevant anywhere. आप अपने घर में हो, with your friends or anybody, is the admission to yourself that I don't know it all. I'm still learning. The day you think you know it all is the day you will stop. You'll stop enjoying it. क्यों उस दिन अहंकार आना शुरू हो जाता है. Every cook has got an ego, and it needs to be there. You should be proud of your food, but your pride should not blind and fool you. You should always have a dish or a cuisine that you know nothing about and enjoy it. And that's why I say ki within Indian food itself, I shamelessly admit that I know very little about Far Eastern, Northeastern cooking, and I'd love to enjoy it, eat it, or the food even from Maharashtra. Goda masala and adrak lasun ka masala, the taste is so divine. I'm bad at it, so I want to learn it. So Sani cooks on Nandi, don't really be comfortable, be uncomfortable,
बिल्कुल.
and that's when you will learn. And if anyone out there who wants to cook and isn't sure about it, the only advice I'd give is cook. The only reason you should cook is to give happiness to whoever you're cooking for. Because if you're cooking for your own satisfaction, then make sure that the bowl of food that you're eating is the best that you've had. So cook for yourself and make yourself happy. If you're, for me, food, happiness is when I see smiles on someone's faces and I've cooked something and they are exactly getting the experience I want them. Cook for their joy. But if you want to cook, just cook for someone's pleasure, yours or someone else's. You'll enjoy it, you'll get better.
बिल्कुल। संदीप, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें ये मौका देने के लिए कि हम आपके आज तक के सफर को इतने करीब से देखें, कुछ सीखें और आपकी जिंदगी के उन पन्नों को सभी के सामने रखें जिनमें अनगिनत उदाहरण है इस बात के कि when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. As simple as that.
But in my case, when life gave me lemons, I made lemon pepper chicken and lemon rice.
Oh yeah, I know that. That's what made me win the immunity pin. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sandeep. We hope that you keep cooking the way you are and keep bringing soul to all your recipes and just be the same simple, sincere, and authentic food artist that you are. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bless you. Bless you. Namaskar.